breathing challenge. Part 3. Sit. Sit. You can breathe.
Shut. Move it around, just don't swallow it.
Oh.
Oh, my tongue.
You died. What? You had the least amount.
Dude, that's a lot.
No, it's not. I like that sound. I like it.
That was so random.
I think it looked like he was gonna throw up. Like,
I didn't know what he was about to do. I thought he was allergic to it. I was like, oh man, he's about to die. Well,
I want to see that again.
you lost. Ow.
Ow.